Hello everybody, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will learn about how to view blocked accounts on Instagram. Okay. So first of all we have to go into our Instagram app. And now as you can see the feeds on our Instagram. So you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom side. Alright. So now you have to tap on the triple bar which is on the top side. Okay. So now you can see the setting and the privacy option on the top. You just have to tap on that. Alright. So now you just have to scroll down and you would see the option here of blocked. So you just have to tap on that and you will see all the accounts that you have blocked on the Instagram. Alright, in this tutorial we learned how to view blocked accounts on Instagram, and thanks for watching.